friends, today we are going to be testing the power of the Eureka RapidClean Pro vacuum cleaner on carpet. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of seeds on the floor and we're going to see how fast the vacuum cleaner can pick it up. I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner for so many reasons. It was so easy to put together. It comes with two attachments. It's got a crevice attachment and a bristle 2-in-1 attachment, which is very cool. And it also lights up, which is awesome. It's got multiple modes and it lasts for quite a while, which is awesome as well. So let's go ahead and sprinkle some seeds on the floor. Boom. Just like that. And put the vacuum cleaner to the test. So let me bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see. All right, turning it on its lowest mode. All right. So it picked up all of the seeds in one single swipe, and even when I went back, none of the seeds fell out, which is awesome. So even on its lowest mode, it's got powerful suction and it picked up seeds, which is awesome because you know how much of a pain in the butt it can be when you drop like quinoa in your kitchen or whatnot. I love the just powerful suction and durability of this cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm so excited. I feel like it'll make me so much more motivated not having to plug in my vacuum cleaner every place I go around the house. It's literally just got a simple charging cord, so you literally just plug it in when you're done. As easy as that. So I'm super excited about this and I hope this is a helpful video, guys. Thanks for watching.